Good afternoon, shopkeepers and do-it-yourselfers everywhere. We got a 2019 Chevy Duramax HD 3500, and the fog lights, only one of them was working. So I'm just going to show you an easy video on how you got to get them out. If you got an arm that bends in 8 places, you can reach underneath the bumper, between the bumper and the fender well, and you can get to it. But right there's the back side of the lamp. But anyway, take these. Well, we got 6 screws, 2, 3, 6 screws, and it takes a T15 Torx to fit in there to drive them. And you got one here, one there, one up here, one back there, and 2 over here, and I don't remember where the other one was. But anyway, fold that back. Then your connector's pretty obvious. Just squeeze on the connector and pull it out. And then the bulb, the housing on the bulb, it locks in there. By the way, it takes a 5202 bulb, and anyway, you gotta, these broke, they didn't come out very good, but there's a, you see that little lock right in there in the middle of that, and one right there. When you push on these, squeeze these tabs together, you can see them squeeze them, push them locks in. And then when you go to put it back in, see you got a spade there and one right there. On the opposite side, you only have one. So I don't know what the idea of having a specific way to go in. Maybe it's the way the bulb aims. Set the beam in the right angle, I guess, maybe. But anyway, we'll set it up in there right quick and see if we can set the light where you can see. Yeah. So we got the 2 spades on this side. You don't want to touch the, don't touch the glass on the bulb, because your oil on your skin gets on the glass, and then they get hot and they burn up. Hang on a minute. Anyway, it's just push it in there and it snap locks in. And then you just take your connector. Kind of hard to reach around the bumper and hold the flashlight and the camera. Push your connector on there. Kind of give it a tug and make sure it locked in. There we go. Now we'll go and pull out on the switch. And just in case you don't know, your fog lights come on when you push on that button, and then you have to have, the lights have to be on. Either they're on auto and it's dark, they'll come on, or you turn it to the headlight on position. But and then you get a warning or an indicator right there that that they're on, and then when you put your high beamers on, they go out. They stay on only on low beam. But anyway, we'll go up there and have a look at them. There we go. Looks good. I'm going to go ahead and take that one off and replace it too. It's kind of looking a little bit yellowed. So it's probably going to go out too. Anyway, we'll get this fender skirt back in. Okay. And you got a little tab that goes in right there. And this kind of goes in behind the bumper. That's where they go. And don't tighten all the screws up until you get them all set in. Then you can tighten them up. You got two of them down here side by side. One right here just above the bottom line of the fender. And we got one right here. I got another one right there. The rest of them I didn't take out and I didn't take them loose. Just kind of fold it back, turn the wheel all the way to the left and fold it back. But anyway, we're going to call that one a done video. Now you know how to change them fog light bulbs. Have a good day, shopkeepers, do-it-yourselfers. Thank you for watching.